so I'm doing colouring book pages again. I'm using the same site as before. So it's coloringbook.ai. My affiliate link is in the description. I'm just going to show you the photo to colouring page again, but this time I'm going to show you how it comes out with actual people. So before I just showed you just normal photos of like buildings and stuff. I'm going to show you like how the faces and stuff turns out. Or actually, I'm not going to show you. I'm going to test it because I actually haven't done this yet. So I'll be uploading an image of myself when I was younger. So it's a pretty old video, picture. So what's this? Keep your face unchanged. Remove backgrounds. See what it comes out like. That's not a very clear picture though, so this might not come out very well. Like I say, it was an old one. I'm gonna have to do this again using like a digital picture, but I don't have any pictures of me. I don't do selfies and stuff. So I don't know how this is actually going to turn out. So yep, I'm just going to do the one, remove watermark, and generate. So I probably could take a selfie, but I really don't know. My face does not belong on screen. So I might actually have to find a different picture. What did I choose this one for? I'm making a cup of tea. This was in what do you call it? I can't even think what it was called. I want to say kindergarten, but I'm British. We don't have kindergarten. The equivalent. Oh my god, why can't I think of what that's called? Anyway, that. I was in the little play area where there's a little house and I was making a cup of tea because that's what we British do. We learn to make a cup of tea when we're like 3 years old. This might take a while because it's fuzzy and sometimes they do take a little while as well. But no, this might make a good gift for, not me, a picture of me obviously, but good gift for people like having like family photos in a little book what they can colour. Or a really funny, embarrassing gift for someone. It's bugging me what it's called now. Oh, look at that. I look like a little boy. Other than... Oh, no, it's still pretty accurate though, isn't it? That's embarrassing. I want to say I look like a little boy, but when you actually look at it, they've picked up all the right things. So it is actually accurate, which is embarrassing. Okay, I was a chubby little kid. Now I'm just festively plump. That's my excuse. Embarrassing, but okay. Yeah, I can't say anything about that. I can't go and even say it's rubbish because, like I say, look at it. The hair's slightly not quite right, but like I say, it's a really old rubbish picture. Another thing I'm going to do as well, I'm going to use pictures. This says you can't use copyrighted pictures. When you look in the current page, but there's like all WWE stuff and Disney stuff, which is all copyrighted, so I don't get it. But I'm going to do pictures from Once Upon a Time as well, the TV show. You can't find a decent colouring book for that. So I'm going to maybe print out a few pages there for my own personal use, not selling them. That would be illegal. So I'm going to try that now and see how that comes out. That's embarrassing. I look like a little old man from the 70s. Okay. So. Yeah. Does. Okay, how do I get back here? Well, I can't remember what I'm doing. Just go back. Upload image. Keep faces. I'm not going to remove background, just going to make the one private, remove watermark, and generate. So I've got all picture ones, these are 2 credits. And you can now as well buy like credits, like there's a one-off thing as well. So you can buy a batch of them if you don't want to like bump up your monthly subscription or whatever. And you can try it for free. It will give you, I think it's 4 credits. So you can do 4 text to colouring pages or 2 photos to colouring pages. They also have other things as well, like the name to colouring pages, where you can actually just type in words and then a few prompts for the backgrounds for simple colouring pages. Colorized drawing is another new thing I haven't actually checked out yet, so there might be another video on that. So yeah, Rumpelstiltskin, he's one of the best characters in it. The funny thing about Once Upon a Time, if you haven't seen it, it's really good. It takes like a twisted, take fairy tales and like twist them around a bit, so they're a bit different. Like the people who you think are bad end up being the best characters. It's like, it's not all, they're a bad guy, they're a good guy, and that's it. No, they're a lot more complicated than that. And the bad guys end up being the best characters. Like in Snow White, the evil queen, she I prefer her than Snow White. Snow White and Prince Charming are annoying. So, if you haven't seen it, go and see it. I say go and see it, like watch on Disney Plus or something, or get the DVDs. Again, pretty accurate. You can't tell by his skin there, but it's kind of meant to be slightly scaly and everything, but okay. All magic comes with a price. Yep, I'm definitely gonna do myself a little Once Upon a Time colouring book then. So it picks up the like details quite well. So that's not too bad. It's actually quite good. Okay. So yeah, I've tried it out. What do you think? There weren't much of a background here. It's probably why they got rid of it in here anyway. But this one, they got all the details. Yeah, that is so embarrassing. Kind of reminds me of one of the guys from Carry On movies. The one that run the camp in like Carry On camping. That's bad. I mean, it's good because it looked accurate, but it's just bad on my part. But yeah, anyway, hope you liked this video. Let me know if you've tried this and if your images come out like good or not. Yeah, but thanks for watching. See you in my next video, where I'll probably be checking out this, if or my next video where it comes to colouring books and stuff would be checking out this. There's a few crochet videos that I want to get out and done, but they do take a while. Anywho, thanks for watching, and as always, see you in my next video. Bye!
Make a patchwork of our choice, scraps of love that time employs. Through our crafts we build and mend, in the end hearts always blind. Materials they come alive, when we're together dreams survive. Creativity flows and then, in the end hearts always blend.